it's Adam from MAPerformance. We are talking the Volkswagen MK7 AWE tuning exhaust systems. We're going to compare both the Touring Edition and the Track Edition, both with and without our MAPerformance Downpipe. Stay tuned for full sound comparisons both inside and outside the car, as well as decibel readings. Here we are in the warehouse. As you can see, we have a whole lot of AWE exhaust systems. This one is the Touring Edition for the MK7 GTI with black diamond tips. Let's open it up and take a look. This is made out of 3-inch 304 stainless and 2¼ inch for the Y pipe. AWE Tuning offers a lifetime warranty, fitment guarantee, and also a no check engine light guarantee. And they've been in business since 1991 out of Philadelphia. And they really have some awesome products to offer, and we're happy to have them on board here at MAPerformance. We're going to install this exhaust system on Tom's car. Tom runs our mandrel bending station here at MAPerformance, and we've got his car up on the lift, so let's throw it on. So the exhaust rule is 19½ inches back at a 45-degree angle. So I'm going to hold it, and it's supposed to be in line with the exhaust. I'm going to hold it right about here. So I'm going to say it's right around 60 for idle. And now we're going to bring the car up to 2,500 RPM and get a reading there. I'm going to say around 73.9, around 74 decibels. Going to go 61.4, and now we'll rev to 2,500. .1. Now that we've seen the AWE Tuning Touring Edition, let's take a look at their Track Edition. The AWE Tuning Track Edition exhaust takes all the handcrafted engineering of the Touring Edition, but replaces the resonator with a straight pipe section for a more aggressive tone and at a lower price point too. And it looks to be around 58 decibels. gonna say that's around 77 decibels. And we'll move to 65. And we'll move to 70. That wraps up our overview of AWE Tuning's exhaust options for the Mark 7. We want to give a big shout out to AWE for hooking us up with these exhaust systems, and to Tom for letting us rip around on his car. If you want something with a mild tone, we recommend keeping the factory downpipe and choosing either the AWE Touring or Track Edition exhaust. For those of you that want an aggressive tone out of your car, we recommend swapping out your factory downpipe for our MAPerformance Downpipe. The downpipe made a big difference for both exhaust systems. With the Touring exhaust, it was still aggressive, but not too much. And with the Track Edition, it was pretty much all out. It was a very aggressive, deep, poppy noise out of that Track Edition, which we know you're gonna love. In addition to our MAPerformance Downpipe with the AWE Tuning exhaust, all you have to do is add our intake to unlock Stage 2 power levels. That wraps things up from us. Be sure to comment below what your favorite exhaust setup was, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for all the cool Mark 7 content we have to come in 2019.